COVID-19 cases have been on the rise recently here in California, as well as in most parts of the United States. So I checked with the nearby CVS store where we usually get our vaccine shots, and they had just recently received the updated Moderna COVID-19 vaccine that was developed for the fall of 2023. They also had the high-dose influenza vaccine in stock, as well as the recently developed RSV vaccine. We have received all the previous doses of the Moderna vaccine, and in recent years have combined that with our high-dose flu shots with no major problems. So we scheduled appointments to get our COVID boosters and our flu shots at the same time. CVS has a convenient online procedure for scheduling vaccinations, so I used that to schedule our appointments at the same time earlier this week. We decided to hold off on the RSV shots for 1 or 2 weeks because there have been some reports of more pronounced side effects with the RSV vaccines. The online CVS scheduling process took about 20 minutes. It included detailed health questionnaires for both of us, so be sure to have your health insurance and pharmacy insurance cards available when filling out the online questionnaires. Having filled out everything online prior to our appointment, we already were checked in when we arrived at the CVS location, so we only had to wait a few minutes before the pharmacist administered both shots to each of us. That process took less than 5 minutes in total. Then we waited in the store for 15 minutes to make sure that neither of us was having any problems from the shots. The only side effects we had from the shots this time was some mild upper arm soreness at the vaccine location that developed a few hours after we had the shots. And as I'm preparing this video, it's been about 24 hours since the shots were administered, and the upper arm soreness for both of us is almost completely gone. The side effects from this round of shots was quite mild. While neither of us have had serious side effects from previous doses of the Moderna vaccine together with the flu shots, we did on some occasions experience more pronounced upper arm soreness, and on one occasion my wife had a slight fever that resolved in about 24 hours. I'm not a medical doctor, and your experience with both the COVID-19 vaccine and the high-dose flu vaccine may differ, so I strongly recommend that you consult with your own medical practitioner before scheduling your vaccinations. But if your experience is anything like mine, this was really one of the easier vaccine experiences that we've had in the past few years.